Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Roblox problem. Firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Let's move to the video. If you are having Roblox problem, it is broken or it is not launching, you can solve this issue by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the Roblox problem, and if it is not launching, you can solve this. Let's watch the video and do solve it.